Hey guys, Devin here from Scooters Canada. We got an email request about one of our customers, and he wanted to know a tip and trick on how to spread the SCS clamp for bars that fit tight in there. So today, that's what I'm going to show you how to do. A lot of people refer to this trick as the penny trick. I wouldn't recommend using money or pennies or anything like that. In the shop here, you can use a Proto top cap, or you can use any type of thick washer. Works the same way. So first things first, take your 5mm. Obviously my bars are already in here. Just going to take these out quick. Okay, so what you want to do is make sure the bottom 3 bolts are super loose. And then you're going to take your top bolt right out of your clamp. So once you take that guy right out, you're going to spin the clamp around and now thread this in the opposite way. Careful not to cross thread these threads. The bolt should thread in by hand, nice and smooth. Go ahead and thread that guy in until you can see the end of the bolt in your slit right here. Once you see the bolt come through, you go ahead and you can take your washer and you want to put it right at the end of the bolt in between the 2 slits, but making sure it's not in the center of your SCS. That's going to impact installing your bars. So when you now thread this bolt in, it's going to hit on the washer. In turn, it's going to spread the clamp out a few mils, just enough to get your bars in there. A couple turns on that is all you'll need. Now your bars should now drop right in your SCS. Once you get your bars aligned with your wheel, when you undo this bolt, it's going to release it and it's going to hold tight onto your bar. Spin that guy back around and go ahead and thread your bolt back in the right way. Go ahead and thread them back in, leaving enough room to fine-tune your bars when you get it on the ground. So don't tighten these up all the way quite yet. Throw it on the ground, fine-tune them, make sure it's all perfect. Start from the top, just snug the bolts up, and work your way from top to bottom and back up to the top. Tightening them little bits at a time. Once all the bolts feel good, you want them all nice and tight. If it feels good, double check your steering, give it a little test, and there you go. Hope that helps you out, guys.